Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Building a smarter solar farm does not start with buying the latest software. It starts with something far less exciting but far more valuable: an operating model where data, inspections, and maintenance all drive the same decisions. Sounds obvious? Then why don't most sites actually work that way? On many solar sites today, data lives in one system, inspections live in another. Maintenance decisions happen somewhere in between. And the result? Delays, missed faults, and slow decision making. A smarter solar farm is not about more tools, it's about alignment. Foundation 1 is data quality. This includes irradiance measurements, inverter performance, tracker signals, meter data, communication stability. If these inputs are inconsistent, nothing built on top of them can be trusted. Clean data isn't glamorous, but it's non-negotiable. Foundation 2 is inspection coverage. That means routine field checks, drone-based thermal inspections where needed, and most importantly, a way to map every finding to the exact asset. Because if a defect cannot be tied to an asset, the workflow will break later. Foundation 3 is AI integration, and this is where most teams rush. They want dashboards before the structure is ready. But AI only creates value when it can read reliable data, detect abnormal patterns, feed into a workflow people actually follow. Otherwise, it just becomes another screen. Let's address the common assumption. A smarter solar farm is not about more sensors or more software. That usually creates more noise. Smart operations come from reducing ambiguity, not multiplying interfaces. So far, we've covered 3 pillars: data, inspections, AI. Now comes the one layer that determines whether any of this actually works long-term: governance. Governance means clear operating rules. Simple questions like, who reviews anomalies? How fast are they validated? When does a field check get triggered? Which issues become work orders? What escalates to portfolio level? Without these rules, even the best systems turn into shelfware. This matters commercially for one reason: time. Better structure reduces diagnosis time, cuts lost energy hours, keeps engineers focused on real issues. That's how smart solar operations scale without scaling complexity. The correct build order is simple: trusted data, asset-linked inspections, AI prioritization, operating governance. Get the sequence right and everything accelerates. Get it wrong and you just add technology to the same old bottlenecks. The next step is practical. Audit your current site against these 4 layers and ask one question: where does your decision chain break first? Fix that point and the rest of your system starts to work. And the result? Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.